Hey, people. I'm Angela, and I'm still doing my 100 videos in 24 hours challenge. So I am rolling through these very quickly. Um, as you can see by the title, this is all about how are we going to reset our Facebook algorithm. Now, I'm not going to get into the details of the Facebook algorithm, but just understand that an algorithm is the language that a computer speaks and that a software speaks. Okay. So if I am constantly telling this algorithm, I will tell on myself, this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Instagram. The little search feature. I'm going to pull mine up right now. Let's go to the search and I'm going to refresh it just to prove I know it's going to be up here. This is my search thing. We have pole fitness. We have Mariah Carey. We have hair tips. We have prints, food, dance. That's some ballroom dance right there. Some other acro type dance. We got Stevie Wonder, Michael Jackson. We got Mariah Carey, gymnastics. Is that Britney Spears? Yep, Britney Spears. More Britney Spears. More Mariah Carey. Whitney Houston, Golden Girls, Whitney Houston, Celine Dion, Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston. Okay. Did you notice a pattern? So this search thing is basically picking up on what is it that I'm interacting with? What am I looking at on Instagram? That's not just in my feed. It's not just who I'm following. It's no secret. I love Mariah Carey. I am a lamb, okay? I'm a lamb. We go back to the first album. I love Whitney Houston, okay? I love Prince and Stevie Wonder and Michael Jackson and Aretha Franklin and Dionne Warwick. I love music. So a lot of times there's a lot of music people. Gymnastics is my favorite sport. The way that people love football is the way I love gymnastics. So I'm always watching gymnastics videos. I'm like, woohoo, yay! I love pole fitness. So I'm always watching the pole fitness people. And so I have told the algorithm that this is what I want to see, because although I may not be following these accounts, I'm interacting with them. And that's the same thing that happens on Facebook. Okay. It's not so much on Twitter, but mainly on Instagram and Facebook. It's going to start pushing things into your feed that it thinks you want to see. Well, what do you do when you have just started a direct sales business, or you have started some affiliate marketing, or you're just trying to make a change? Make that change. What do? You reset it, and you reset it by being consistent and sticking to basically you can do 20 days, but you can basically do it about 10 to 20 days of being very cautious of what you interact with and what you post. I recommend that when you are resetting, specifically on Facebook, when you're on Facebook, don't share other people's stuff. Okay. Don't do it. Only focus on posting your stuff. And eventually it's going to start pushing into the news feed. Okay. And eventually you're going to reset this. The same thing on Instagram. And I have done this a couple of times because I wanted to see more Mariah Carey videos, because I'm like, it's when I was getting used to Instagram and all the ways that it worked. And once I realized that, the more I, look for Mariah Carey videos, the more it's going to just show me. So bam. And then after a while, one time I was like, damn, I'm sick and tired of seeing that same stuff in my search thing. So I started interacting with different things, and I changed up the algorithm. It's just a language. Okay. If you're trying to learn a new language, like if you're trying to learn Spanish, you would speak Spanish more often, wouldn't you? Instead of walking around saying, hi, my name is Angela, you walk around, hola, me llamo Angela. Sorry, I stumbled on that. Hola, me llamo Angela. That's what you would do. You would try to immerse yourself in it. That is the, and now my languages are getting confused because I actually do speak Spanish. That's the way that you reset things on social media. It's the same as learning a new language. You want to learn it, you speak it. You want certain things in your newsfeed, you interact with those things. So I welcome you to join my group, Wi-Fi and Pajamas, to learn more about this. The link is down there. There's probably a free gift down there that's going to talk to you more about what to post and things to do on your social media to kind of switch it up so that you can Get your post into the feed and get some other posts that you no longer want to see out of your feed. That's my tips. Have a good one.